It's Chris, back with today's latest cybersecurity trends. Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something called watering hole attacks, a sneaky tactic that cybercriminals are using more and more these days. So what exactly is a watering hole attack? Well, the name actually comes from nature. Think about how predators in the wild will hang around watering holes, waiting for unsuspecting animals to come take a drink. Cybercriminals do something similar in the digital world. Instead of directly targeting you with a phishing email or something obvious, attackers find websites that you and people like you visit frequently. These could be industry news sites, professional forums, or even your local coffee shop's website. Then they hack these trusted sites and plant malware there. When you visit these sites you've probably been to dozens of times before without any problems, the malware can secretly install itself on your device. You don't click on anything suspicious. You don't download anything strange. You just visit a website you trust, and boom, you're infected. What makes these attacks particularly dangerous is that they exploit trust. We're all taught to be careful about suspicious emails or strange websites, but we rarely think twice about visiting websites we go to all the time. These attacks are also extremely targeted. Hackers aren't just compromising random websites, they're specifically choosing sites that their intended victims frequently visit. For example, if cybercriminals wanted to target a particular company, they might compromise the website of a conference that company's employees attend or an industry blog they read regularly. So, how can you protect yourself? First, always keep your devices, browsers, and security software updated. Many watering hole attacks exploit known vulnerabilities that have already been patched in newer versions. Second, consider using a good web filtering tool or browser extension that can help detect malicious content on websites. And third, be cautious about the information you share online about the websites you visit regularly. The more hackers know about your browsing habits, the easier it is for them to set up an effective watering hole. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about avoiding the obviously suspicious stuff anymore. Sometimes the greatest dangers hide in places we consider safe. That's all for today's update. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.